The thing about bucket lists are, they're either getting longer or things are being crossed off. But what if I told you our bucket list is staying the same? Before we hit the road, we saw pictures of Caddo Lake. It was eerie, it was lush, it was magical. It became not just a dream to visit one day, but a permanent etching upon our bucket list. We're Abe and Mel. We've lived in our van for almost 3 years, finding and discovering some beautiful sights. When seeing the pictures of Caddo Lake, we pictured ourselves canoeing in the peaceful water amongst the towering cypress trees. This is actually our third time coming here. At the beginning of 2023, and for many years prior, this was just a daydream of a destination on our bucket list. And now, at the end of 2023, it remains on our bucket list. You might ask, why is that if we've been there? Well, some places just leave a print on your life. The first time we came here, we were able to experience it with both family and friends during the same week. A place as beautiful, as calm, as tranquil as this, I became very inspired on what I wanted to film, to photograph, and to create. I wanted to create a short film about our experience heading out onto the bayou and being amongst these tall cypress trees, the moss hanging down from the trees, the still calm waters that never seemed to be disrupted until our canoe cutting softly through them. Before making another trip back, I had a shot list all planned out on what I wanted to film. I was very excited and thrilled about the possibilities that I could come across while filming, the amount of things I could learn during this project, and the memories I could keep forever. But things did not go as planned. About a month or so after being there for the first time, we made our way back to Caddo Lake. We went to the lodge, only to find no canoes were being rented due to flooding, with no planned date to allow canoeing in the near future. We made our way to the lake, and yes, it was higher, but couldn't understand why we couldn't still canoe. I mean, after all, we're gonna be in a boat on a water. Who cares what the water height is, right? Luckily, about 8 months later, we were able to find ourselves back in our bucket list destination, capturing the details and shots I imagined. And it became even better, with the wildlife and sunset showing off. Caddo Lake is our favorite. All the cypress trees, just really cool area. Just in awe of it, pretty cool. It's now a favorite destination. The tree's gnarled roots dip into the murky waters, creating a natural maze. Light and shadow perform an intricate dance across the water. Little did we realize what else we would encounter. What is it? Oh, a blue one? The birds and wildlife so calm in their natural meanderings as we sat there taking it all in. This place just has a different feel to it than anywhere we have been before. The trees in the water, the croaking of the frogs, the chirping of the insects, and hooting of the owls, which are absolutely an experience to hear at night by the water. We wanted a way to freeze this calm moment, to show you, so now you can understand this is why it remains on our bucket list. As darkness descended, we reluctantly had to turn the boat and return to shore. Caddo Lake, forever on our bucket list. It's not an elusive goal anymore, but a reoccurring reality in our travels. It's a place where we've discovered a peace that is calming, beautiful, and our love grows with every return. I oftentimes find myself saying, never stop exploring. Where typically I mean to keep exploring, finding new places and destinations to see. But this isn't always the case with our recently found love of revisiting places we've seen and exploring them on a deeper level. So, revisit old places, find a deeper connection with them that you may not have found originally. Keep exploring those bucket list destinations. We hope that one day you too will not cross off those bucket list destinations.